Look through the camera. Seriously. You can see it through the camera dropping. Oh yeah. And by the way, there's sunshine, so let's tell me. That's the calm after the storm.
Shut the fuck up!
No, you're not.
Gonna die.
I've done this for a fucking living for 6 years. Joe, come look at this rotation in the camera. Joe, seriously, I'm not lying about the camera. Look at the difference between the sky and the camera. You see her? Right there on the edge of this fucking line. As well as this. I've done this.
I haven't done it either, I know that.
Go to the fire department, you see the flat line over there? Flat line's back. Right there. Fuck no, I'm gonna drive into it.
No, we don't have torch anymore.
Joe, you can see it forming. Right here.
We got kids in here.
I don't care. You ain't gonna die. Trust me, I know what to do. Run me over, see ya. Love you guys. You see the center of it, Joe? You can see it on here. Oh yeah, there's that squall line. Go right across Fowler, Indiana. Look at the sun shining behind it. This is a storm I've been chasing for a while. There you go, right there. Hear the wind. It's all right here. Tail end, rotation. Sunshine. Good.
What? Let's do it right here.
Do it.
Don't look. Don't look.
They've already gone past, you'll see in the previous video. But I tell you what, there's rotation in these clouds and it's going that way. Do I want to drive into it? You know I do. Right there. Everything's kind of sort of calm right now, but look at that line. I don't care if I look stupid or not. Done showed you 4 funnel clouds that you guys are thinking I'm an idiot over.
I'm not, retard! Go to hell!
Here comes the rain. Yeah, I'm a stupid ass. Thank you, guys. It's what you call a squall line. There's the tornado wall, guys. If anything, it's going to form right out here, Joe. Look at it. But I'm a liar, so.
We never said that, Torto.
We're calling Mom now.
Let's go.
It's the big time Saturday night. This time of year, Florida.
Mom, put me on YouTube. Let's see. Mom, point camera at me.
Hold on.
Point camera at me.
Joe, hop out.
Oh, shit. Shut up.
See it?
Yes.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Mom. You do or you do not. Where's it at then?
Going back up, it's coming down. It's going back up. You see it?
Mom, it's hard. Get in there. She's worried about dying. I forgot my axe. Mom, let's go. Quick, run. Let's see. God, damn. Mom, get in the fucking bed.
It's not.
Quit bitching.
There ain't nothing down. I'm getting some cool pictures.
They're not called pictures. They're called...
These are called cool pictures. Just south, Joe.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, but you don't even know what we're talking about.
Right above us.